Hi artists, let's change our thumbprints and fingerprints into different animals. We're going to start at the top left corner. So make sure that your top left corner is pink like mine, one single pink thumbprint. We're going to turn this into an owl. So it's going to start, and this owl is going to have glasses on. We're gonna make him look a little silly. So I'm gonna start by drawing the feet actually. So at the bottom of my fingerprint or thumbprint, I'm going to draw two lines. And from there, I'm gonna give him little, kind of like little toes or claws. Cute. After that, let's draw some wings by making some zigzag lines off the side. And now I'm gonna draw two big circles. These kind of look like glasses. Maybe they're not glasses because owls just have really big eyes. And I did two more circles inside. And a beak. This one we're changing into a butterfly. So for a butterfly, this is the body of the butterfly. We can do two bumps on the side for wings. Hey, that looks like a letter. What letter does that look like? You have to do the opposite on the other side. Give your butterfly a cute little face. And some antennas. Next up is a turtle. We're going to turn this green thumbprint into a turtle. So let's draw a little head on the side here. So I drew what looks kind of like a letter C or a circle. I'm gonna give one eye and a smile. We need 2 feet at the bottom. And kind of like a triangle for the tail. Try making these lines on your turtle's shell. I'm putting 3 lines going horizontal. And some lines going vertical. Next up, we are creating a lion. This is going to be a little tough. Just stay with me. If you make a mistake, take a deep breath and just keep going. It's okay if your lion looks different than mine. On the top thumbprint, let's make a cute little face. So I start with 2 dots for the eyes, a teeny triangle, a very small triangle for the nose, little curves for the mouth. Can you do 2 bumps for the ears? Watch what I do here. I'm gonna draw the lion's mane. The lion's mane is just lines going around his face. This is the lion's body. I'm gonna draw 2 legs coming outward. Those are the front legs. And 2 legs coming back, kind of like he's running or jumping. Let's not forget a cute little tail. And voila. Next up, we are creating a cat. So we're moving on here. For this cat, let's start like we did with the lion. 2 eyes, 2 circles for eyes. A teeny tiny triangle for the nose. 2 lines for the mouth. Now this one is going to have whiskers. I'm going to do 3 lines shooting out from the side of the face. 2 triangles on top for the ears. And 2 letter W's at the bottom for the feet. Let's give our cat a tail. Next up, a pig. What sound does a pig make? And for the pig, we're going to start very similar. 2 dots for the eyes. A sideways oval for the nose. 2 dots inside of the nose for his snout. 2 triangles at the top for the ears. This is the body, so we need 4 legs. So can you try drawing 1, 2, 3, 4 legs? And piggies have a curly little tail. Cute. Next we're drawing a beaver. Oh, I'm sorry, not a beaver. We're going to a dog next. So this one will be a dog. And the dog starts like this. 2 circles for the eyes. A smile. A letter U for the ear. 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a tail. Now we're making a beaver. So for this next one, we're going to draw 2 circles for the eyes. Underneath that, can you draw the letter X? 2 rectangles for the teeth. Beavers have really long front teeth. A little curved line for an ear. Let's draw some lines for the legs. I did 4 lines for the legs. The tail is a little tricky. Can you make a bigger tail line? And we're going to draw lines that go one way and then lines that go the other way. Just try.